Hey guys, glad to see you on my channel. Today we have a new trading video. We will trade using two moving averages. This is probably one of the simplest strategies for beginners, so you won't have any difficulties with it. So initially we set up two moving averages with you. This is moving average. We set two sliding ones and also configure them. We set the first moving period to 25. Select EMA and change the style, set it to red. We save, and here are the settings for our moving averages, which we will need today. Let me now find the first currency pair and we will open a deal with you. So friend, the currency pair is Canadian dollar and Japanese yen. Here I will open a buy position at this point at $96, and let me explain the reason. Here unfortunately we did not have to rely on exactly two moving averages because the trend in this asset is upward. And we can observe the last strong intersection right at the origin of this upward movement. And as it were, our trend is still continuing, and I don't know how long it will continue to rise. But now there is a very chance that we will get a plus here because we opened on a price pullback and we are waiting for the result. So friends, our first deal is coming to an end. Here we get the purest plus with you. Even though we had a correction on this asset, pay attention to the last candlestick, that is, we opened on this one. Next, we have a very strong downward price movement, but at the same time there is a rollback. The rollback occurs for the reason that we have an upward trend here, and accordingly the pressure of buyers here turned out to be greater than the pressure of sellers, and for this reason our price flew up. The deal is completed, $184 on balance. We set this amount and move on to the next asset. So friends, I will open the next trade on this asset. Let's now adjust this strategy a little. We open the time frame of 15 seconds and also change the expiration time, set it to 1 minute. And now I'm opening a buy position at this point for $184. Specifically, now we are working with price intersections, more precisely with the intersections on the indicator, the moving average. That is, each intersection is a new signal, and here we just need to receive these signals in a timely manner and react to these intersections in a timely manner. And since you see the signal was to buy, the last intersection was at this point. That is, green crosses red from bottom to top, a good price movement is formed, and then a position is opened. A sharp impulse occurs. Obviously, here you and I were able to open a trade perfectly and make 100% profit. So friends, our deal has come to an end, $346 on our balance. We set this amount and move on to the next asset. So friends, a sell position on this asset, Australian dollar, American dollar. Position at this point for 1 minute. Look here, our price has just reached its peak. The resistance level is right here. We simply opened from the resistance level to sell. That's all, friends. We're waiting for the result. I think the deal will be obviously be a plus given the traffic we've already received. Wait. So friends, our deal has come to an end. This is where we get a plus, but in the last seconds we had a rollback on this asset. In general, this is common reaction on charts. Here we were lucky that the expiration time was sufficient, so we set the amount to $664 and move on to the next asset. So friends, the next trade will be opened on this asset, a buy position at this point. Look carefully, here we have an upward trend. Each minimum and each maximum becomes higher than the previous one, so the decision was made to open a buy position. Of course, I did not open a deal at the best point, but nevertheless, given the volatility on this asset, I think everything will go quite well and we will be able to make more money here. Well, literally now you can see what the reaction is from the support levels happening here. Friend, it's very important to pay attention to the cyclical nature of the market. That is, if you see repeating situation, be sure to take advantage of them. Well, as you can see now, my transaction will come to an end. We will take profit again. So friend, the deal has come to an end. $1,275 in our balance. We were able to make great money with this simple strategy, and I think that we will end here. Thanks everyone for watching. See you.